Today in the shop, we got a brand new product by Miracle. This product right here is designed for glass protection. We can put on our windshields to protect it from rock chips, scratches, and other damage. Now, one thing you should know about this specific product, this is the first product that is actually a EPU product, not a TPU product, which basically means it's better. Now let's get to work and get this on the car. Now, before we install the protection film here on the windshield, super important to obviously clean, prep, make sure everything's scrubbed down really good, give her a nice little slap, make sure she's squeaky clean, make sure she's dialed in, ready for the film. So before we put the film on the car, we're gonna give her a little nibble, make sure she tastes good. Now that we know she's good to go, we're gonna go ahead and peel her off. Go ahead and give her a nice slippy slip job, lay her down. Make sure everything's stretched out, tuck her in nicely, make sure she's laid out straight, ready to go. And then here's the fun part, the squeegee. Yeah, buddy. So we just finished installing the protection film here on the windshield, and now it's going to be giving it the test of time to see how this holds up. Just so you guys know, this is a daily driven vehicle that's kept outside pretty much 99% of the time unless it's here in the shop. So we're going to really put it through its paces, because from what I've seen in the past over the years is this protection film, it's not designed for daily driven vehicles. It's more for like cars that go to the racetrack, cars that are kept in a garage, cars that aren't driven a ton. So this is going to be a really good test to see, does this EPU product better than a traditional TPU product. So stay tuned. We're going to be doing a 1 month, a 3 to 6 month, and then a 1 year follow-up, and also giving you guys my 2 cents on here. From so far what I see, looks really good, good clarity, but this is what we're going to talk a little bit more on when we do the follow-ups. Stay tuned.